In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a water bird feeder. And if you like the video, press like and subscribe. Hello everyone, this is Anand Video Land, and we're going to show you how to make a water bird feeder. And first, you will need a screw, a screwdriver, a plastic bottle with a lid, a wooden board, and a plastic container. For this part, you will need an adult, and tell your adult to push the screw in here. Then tell the adult to screw the hole in here, then unscrew it. And tell the adult to make a bigger hole by doing this. And you need to make another 2 holes here the same way, and tell the adult to don't push this very hardly in and push it gently and carefully too. The next part, so first you will need to take this lid off, then get a screw and put the screw right inside the middle and screw it in. Then unscrew the screw this way, so it comes out and it makes a hole. And next, turn your plastic container over and get a screw. Ask your adult to put the screw here and screw this all the way in. Using a hot glue gun, seal around the screw. This will stop the water from leaking. Here you need a lid and a hot glue gun. So you should turn the container over and glue this around the screw, and you don't need it to touch the screw. Then you can get your lid and screw the lid on to here. Now screw it tight. And next, you need a plank of wood and a plastic container. And first, you need to glue this all around here. You've got to do it a bit quick so it doesn't dry. And now you can put this on here. Then after that, you can fill the bottle with water. Now attach the bottle to here. Oh, now it's coming out and it's finished. It's coming out and the bird can drink the water. When the water finishes and the birds suck it up, it will start filling up by itself. If you like my video, put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.